Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare South Indian Spicy Rasam. This recipe involves grinding all the spices freshly. Ingredients listed are to serve 4 to 5 people. Grind the red chilies, asafoetida, pepper, cumin seeds, curry leaves and garlic in a mixie jar. Then heat oil in a deep pan on high-medium. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds and allow it to splutter. Then add the curry leaves, crushed garlic and the freshly ground spices. Fry for a minute and reduce the heat. Now add the tamarind juice. And then add the crushed tomatoes and add about 1 liter of water. Add turmeric powder. Stir it just once and do not stir after this point. Add the required salt and bring it to a boil. As the rasam begins to boil, turn off the stove and add the palm sugar. And garnish it with chopped coriander leaves. Keep it covered for a while. Hot and spicy rasam is now ready for you. You can serve this with cooked rice and enjoy. You can change the amount of spices according to your own tastes and preferences as well. This spicy rasam can help in very good digestion, and you can drink it as a healthy soup when you have cold or cough. The pepper, cumin and palm sugar in it help a lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another video.